So suppose you have a statistics of some numbers, some rows. For instance, this cat appears 500 times on average, this dog 400, and this small dino only appears 2 times, so it's the less frequent item for our dataset. And having this, you want to make a mock-up of your data, so create a big dataset which will look like this one with random picked items, but they will be distributed by the logic which you have here. For this, I've made a function called a random pick dist or distributed. Let's see, it is in this file, so you will need to make a copy. As I already have this file in my drive, I can click here named function and import function from this file. I'll just search by special word generators. Yeah, and now I have this file found for me. Some functions in this file may be dependent on others, so I'll just import all to make sure that my random pick dist works fine, and let's test it. Let's see how it works. Now you can type equal sign and random, and now you see this bunch of named function with random. And I want to show you random pick dist. Select this one, and how many. Okay, this how many is just a number, so you need to enter number. I want to create a random pick of 2000 items, and this is my how many. My data is this rows with accordingly picked icons, these emojis and names of my pets. And next, distribution is this data, how much, what was the mean, or what was your expectation of this item to appear, this and so forth. And that's it. Next, click enter. You see this refer if you have not enough rows, but luckily for me these rows were created automatically this time. And now I have my randomly picked items, but they are not just random, they are distributed by my logic. For instance, if I change here cats to 5, I will see cats much less times than earlier. And also I got now my cats back to 500 to show you this trick to check what we've got here. Let's check it. We'll do a query. I'll do a query of these 2 columns. I'll make it in curly brackets to make it an array, to deal with column notation, and select. Now I can select column 1 and count of column 2. Not misspell this, because this is strict language SQL. And group by, I want to group by column 1. Yes, click enter, and now you see that my cat is the biggest one. They are sorted by alphabet, by the way, so you don't see this order. But if I make also one sorting option, like order by this count call in descending order, descending like this. Now we have cats on the top, next goes dogs, next mouse, horse, giraffes, or foxes, and dinos, only 3 of them in the whole range here. So now you see how it works, and hope it makes sense for you, and hope you will make fun with this and other random functions from this collection.